This video will show you how you can remove the debug banner that is located at the top right hand side of your Flutter application whilst in debug mode. So to remove it, all you have to do is find your material app within your main.dart and add in the line debug show checked mode banner. So this is either a true or false and it's defaulted to true. So if you want to remove the banner, just put in false and the banner is removed. If you want the banner to show whilst in debug mode, you can change it to true, or you can just remove the line. This debug banner will not show when you build your app for production. It won't. And that's how you remove the debug banner from Flutter applications whilst in debug mode.